Let me show you how you guys can work on a Google Calendar. First, you can create yourself a calendar. You can click on this plus icon and you can create yourself a new calendar by clicking on it, okay? But since I already have a calendar, I'm not going to create another one. Now remember, you're gonna have the list of different calendars over here, and in whichever calendar you want to work, you want to click on that, okay? So right now I want to work on my calendar called 1 to Step, so I'm just going to untick all of this. Now if I make any changes over here, it's only going to be applied to this calendar because this is the only one selected, okay? Once you do that, let's say you want to change it from week to day. You can click on day and the entire calendar is going to be on a day. If you want to change it on week, you can click week. For a month, you can click month, and for a year, you can click year. And if you want to schedule something, you can click on schedule, and you can schedule anything you want, okay? But I'm just gonna go to week because that's my preference. So today is Thursday. If you see a highlight over here, that means it's the current day. So let's say I want to add an event for Friday, tomorrow. What I can do is, so let's say I want to add an event. I'm going to click on the box right on the Friday, and I'm going to name it something like football game like this. Once I write it, I'm going to change its color into something else. I'm going to click on this and change its color to this color. Now I'm going to click on save. Now what I can do is, if I drag it to the bottom, it's going to be this long. So the event is going to be from 1:30 to 4 p.m. But let's say I want it to start at 2 p.m. What I can do is just click on it, hold it, and drag it down, and make sure it starts in 2 just like this. Now it's from 2 to 4:30. And if you want to switch its date, you can just swipe it in whichever place you want. And just like this, you can add events like this over here just by clicking on the place you want to add. And if you want to share it, you can just click on the settings icon, click on settings, choose the calendar you want to share, scroll down, click on this button over here, and add anybody you want in the calendar using their email. That's how we guys can use Google Calendar. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.